Yo, what's popping, you guys? Back again with another video. Today it's March 30th, last day of the month. We're headed for work at the moment. It is now a good, hot, warm 70-degree Fahrenheit day, man. Let's cut to the front. And we have 923 miles on the scooter's odometer. Man, this is gonna be a fun ride, guys. 74 volts at the moment.
How much that cost?
I paid $1,600 for it.
Nice bike.
Thank you, boss.
Nice scooter.
Yes, sir.
Take good care of it.
Of course, always got the protection on.
You got it,
Of course, had to show off a little. But yeah, sorry about that. Somebody called me just now. I had to say hi. What a loud truck. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, please. We're trying to reach 1,600 by the end of the year. Should be pretty easy. We're already at 1,478 subs as I'm speaking right now. So do your thing and let's make it happen. Ever since I changed the rear brake pad, the rear wheel has been able to lock up way more easier. New Yorkers are a different kind of people, bro. Like, imagine jaywalking right after staring the driver in the eye after the light ended, bro. Nah, son, that's wild. I'm literally being pushed by the wind right now. Trying to hold up the scooter with just my leg isn't enough. Always pay attention, y'all. I'm glad I changed out the rear brakes because they locked up immediately just now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna do the same for the front, bro. I don't care. love sitting in the passenger seat, bro. Dogs are really so comfortable, bro. I hear a fire truck siren. It's not right behind me, so I'm chill for now. If only this scooter had more battery, but it is what it is, man. I'm gonna catch you guys later on tonight, probably around 11 or midnight.